About the necklace I used. This is the San Medallion Benito. The back of my medallion is the giving birth of my life. The back of the San Medallion Benito is my thinking, awakening. And then, the front of the San Medallion Benito is my body present. And the bird, the top, is my own heart beating. Exactly in tune. This is my original creation of my medallion. Only example, my necklace and pendant. That is the word of the reflection of my mind, creating the word of flying of my life. The word of defense mechanism, lying. But the creation of my life is reality of who I am.